only get half power out of the generator. I don't know exactly what he means by half. And I'm amazed after a year and a half in storage, this engine started that quick. That's impressive. Of course, okay. See the exhaust coming out the side of the boat.
Keep an eye on that hose.
Okay.
Right, I'm going to go put a load on.
All right. We want to make sure the hose doesn't fall out of the strainer. We're using the strainer. We're filling the strainer with water for the generator to take the water from the strainer, run it through the cooling system, and come out here. So we're proving that the cooling system is running. Just want to put a load on it, maybe the water heater. You hear it change a little bit. So you can hear him putting a load on it and taking a load back off again. A load meaning heavy electrical demand. Shut off the video, see if there's anything else I can do to help him.